Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, yesterday we tried to finish up the election process in India. So let us wind up this unit today. Let me quickly recapitulate what we have seen from the beginning to now regarding the election process in India, children. So it's like a recapitulation only. Yesterday we tried to learn about the nota, that is none of the above. So none of the above, actually nota vote has been introduced into the election process in 2013. So this 2013, during the general elections to Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Mizoram and Madhya Pradesh, so during that elections this nota was introduced, and nota will not affect the winning of any candidate. The nota, even though the nota gets the majority vote, then the second majority vote will be considered as a winner. So nota will not have any impact on the winning and losing of a candidate, but nota option will be present for the voter. And later we also have seen the mechanism of voter as well as regarding the by-election, general election and the midterm election. Let me tell you briefly about the by-election and the general election. So देखो elections कब होती है? हर 5 साल को होती है. Let us imagine, okay, some Mr. X got elected. Some Mr. X got elected as a MLA in 2014. In 2014, Mr. X got died after getting elected, okay, as a MLA for 2014 in 2014 elections. His term will be for up to 2019. His term should be up to 2019. But Mr. X died, okay, being an MLA in 2015. In 2015, Mr. X died. So as a result of that, Mr. X represents a constituency called as XYZ. He represents a constituency, a assembly segment called as XYZ. So this XYZ, after the death of Mr. X in 2015, got empty. Okay, काली पड़ी है, उधर से MLA कोई नहीं है. उसके लिए जो इलेक्शन रखा जाती है, that election is called as by-election. The election which is conducted for single seat or for the multiple seats before the expiry of the term. टर्म कब एक्सपायरी होती? 2019 में होती, मगर उससे पहले ही इलेक्शन जो आ रही है उसको बाई इलेक्शन कहा जाती है. एंड नेक्स्ट देयर इज आल्सो अनदर इलेक्शन कॉल्ड एज मिड टर्म इलेक्शन. मिड टर्म बोले तो देखो 2014 से लेकर 2019 तक दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ए टर्म. 5 साल का टर्म है. ये टर्म से पहले ही अगर इलेक्शंस आती है देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज मिड टर्म इलेक्शन. सर बाई इलेक्शन बोले तो भी बीच में आई और मिड टर्म इलेक्शन बोले तो भी बीच में आई. देन व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए मिड टर्म इलेक्शन एंड बाई इलेक्शन? द डिफरेंस इज बाई इलेक्शन जो होती है ये एक नहीं तो ओके एक जो काली पड़ी है, वट एवर सीट्स आर एम्प्टी, दोज सीट्स ओके मल्टीपल सीट्स विल गेट इलेक्टेड थ्रू द बाई इलेक्शन. मगर मिड टर्म इलेक्शन में पूरा सीटों को इलेक्शन होती. अगर हमारा लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली देख लिया तो 119 सीट्स है, पूरा 119 सीट्स को इलेक्शन जो होती है उसे मिड टर्म इलेक्शंस बोलते हैं. मिड टर्म इलेक्शंस बोलते हैं. अगर टर्म से पहले इलेक्शन आती है तो उसे मिड टर्म इलेक्शन बोलते हैं. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव सीन अबाउट political parties, national political parties we have seen, and regional political parties also we have seen. Some examples of national election, national political parties are Indian National Congress, BJP, CPI. These are the examples for the national parties. और regional parties को जब आते हैं then we have TRS here, MIM भी है, okay, and YSRCP, okay, and TDP. These are some regional political parties in our Telangana and Andhra region. But in India there are many regional political parties are there, like DMK is there, ADMK, Shiva Sena, ओके. अरविंद केजरीवाल का कौन सा है? केजरीवाल का पार्टी, केजरीवाल का पार्टी कौन सा पार्टी है उसका? अरविंद केजरीवाल. जो ब्रूम स्टिक रहती देखो, find out which political party it is. We also have BJD, Biju Janata Dal, Navin Patnaik, RJD, Rashtriya Janata Dal, JDU, SP, समाजवादी पार्टी, BSP, बहुजन समाज पार्टी. ये पूरा जो है these all are the regional parties. TRS, तेलंगाना राष्ट्र समिति. MIM means the Musliman Ittaihadul Muslimin is called as MIM. YSRCP, YS Rajshekar Reddy Congress Party, it is actually, but as per the Election Commission of India, it is YS, that is YS Rajshekar Reddy's Raitu Karmika party, and TDP Telugudesam party. This is about the regional parties, and Election Commission of India plays very important role in the conduct of elections, and model code of conduct also you look after it. Thank you, children.